¿Qué onda, raza? So today I'm gonna make a end cap for this C3 Wilton. I did a restoration on it, but I could not find an end cap for it. So I got a cool idea. Hopefully it works. So we'll see. Let me show you what I got. So I found a piece of 2-inch pipe that fits on there almost perfectly. So I'm gonna cut about a 1/2 inch of that. Then I have this cap for an oxygen tank. I'm gonna cut a piece of that, weld it to the pipe, and then I'm gonna polish that up just like I did on the rest of the Vise, and hopefully it works. I'm gonna weld it on there. So here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna cut about a 1/2 inch on this pipe. And then I'm gonna cut a fresh piece where there's no hole, and then we'll go from there. All right, let's get started. So this is the best Vise to have, in my opinion. I mean, I have a bunch of useful heavy Vises, but for the shop, this is the one. Has a pipe jaws, which I use most of the time, and it swivels, and you can lock in any direction. So here we go. Let's get this pipe cut. I think that'll work. It's a good size right there. If we need a shorter, I'll put it in the belts under and just shave it down a little bit. Just gonna trace this one out. Kind of center it. There it is. So it's going to be welded on there. And there's your cap. Should be fine. Let's get this cleaned up. Okay, it's cleaned up, ready for welding. I'm gonna use the ground clamp to hold it down at the same time. So I'm just gonna center it. Let's see, that looks about right. I'm gonna tack it, and then we can ground this somewhere else. Don't say it. Don't say it. That's not going anywhere. Fuck! Not too bad. I'm gonna hit it with the different belt. This one's kind of it's for polishing, so it's not so rough. Got a couple of those, so I'm gonna be trying to feel them first, see which one it works. So let's switch it out. Okay, so I started grinding with that belt or buffing, and that small hole came up. So I'm gonna fill that in with weld, grind it down, and keep going. Alright, I got it filled. Let's grind it down. Hopefully it won't look too bad. Let's try some filing. I don't want to grind it down too much with the belt grinder, so here we go. Almost got it. I'm gonna fill in that little bit of gap there. I'm gonna fill it in. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with the file again. Do not try that at home. Okay, let's see where we're at. Looks like we're gonna have to shave off about 1/4 inch so we could fit flat in there. Look at that. Am I good or what? Perfect. I'm gonna polish it a little more. Should be done. Look at that mirror finish. Not bad. I'm gonna put a little bit of electrical tape around it, make it a tight fit. I won't be taking that off anytime soon, so. There we go. Doesn't really matter if it gets stuck in there pretty good. I mean, even if I wanted to take it off, that's not gonna bend. guys. There she is, guys. Look at that end cap. Estamos pues, compa.